Hello everyone, ever wondered if you could make money while you sleep? What if your internet connection could earn you cash? I have checking out the Uprock AI app and I want to show you exactly how it works. Let's get started. But first of all, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more. Exactly the question is, what is Uprock AI? Uprock AI is a mobile app that lets you earn passive income. All you have to do is just, install the app on your phone or computer. The app then uses your unused internet bandwidth. You get paid for every bit of data that passes through the app. It's a bit like renting out a small part of your internet connection. Now you are thinking and you want to ask how it works. Yes, that's a great question. It's very easy to use. First, you just download the Uprock AI from Play Store or App Store. Next, you create an account. That is very simple. Then just turn it on and let it run in the background. All right, the app works silently and you can do whatever you want on your device. The more you use it, the more you can earn. It pays you in cryptocurrency tokens called UPT. Now the final question is it real? That is very superb and great question. All right, now we are talking about that. Yes, it is a real way to earn, but here's are the things that you need to know. The earnings are very small. Don't expect to get rich in some days. It's only a way to make a little extra side money. It uses your internet while it's using unused bandwidth. It might slow down your internet connection just a little bit. But my final thoughts about Uprock AI. If you want a super simple way to make a small amount of money without doing any work, Uprock is an app to check out. Just download it, let it run, and watch your earnings grow slowly. It's nice way to use something you already have, your internet, to your advantage. I hope you found this video helpful. So give this video thumbs up and subscribe for more app reviews. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.